Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make electrum ingots. To begin, understand that electrum is a powerful alloy, crucial for many advanced items. Crafting these ingots is a straightforward process, but it does require specific raw materials and a specialized crafting station. We will cover each step to ensure you can produce them efficiently. The first step is gathering your essential materials. You will need both gold ingots and silver ingots. These can typically be found by mining their respective ores and then smelting them in a furnace. For each electrum ingot you wish to create, you will need one gold ingot and one silver ingot. Make sure you have enough of both before proceeding. With your materials ready, it's time for the alloying process. You will need a specialized crafting station, such as an alloy kiln or a smeltery. Place one gold ingot and one silver ingot into the input slots of your chosen machine. If your machine requires fuel, add a sufficient amount of coal or another energy source. The machine will then begin to process these metals, creating your electrum ingot. Once you have your electrum ingots, a world of new crafting possibilities opens up. These ingots are crucial for creating high-tier tools, durable armor, and complex machinery components. Electrum provides enhanced durability and excellent conductivity, making it a superior material for many advanced recipes. Utilize your newly crafted ingots to progress further in your endeavors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.